Take two on this experiment. I tried with Google Meet. My video on my computer is blurry, so I'm hoping you guys can see this one better. So in here we have some vegetable oil. Okay, I'm going to pour some water in. And notice how it separates. Pour a little bit more. All right. I think I didn't put enough vegetable oil in, but now I'm running out because I've been doing the experiment enough. All right, so we're just going to wait a second. Let that separate. Oh, it's already all bubbled. Okay. After you pour the water in because oil and water don't mix, so they're going to separate. You can see the line. It's starting to settle down a bit. And my little helper, who has to sit next to me. So once this separates, I'm going to put some food coloring in it. And my first try, I think I put the food coloring in too fast. So I want it to kind of just sit on the top as little bubbles. It still worked, so I might post the first video too so you can see the difference. So I'm going to try to just carefully put these so they sit as bubbles on the top. I just went crazy and started squishing in food coloring. See how excited somebody's getting? She sat up for this. She's like, what is she doing? I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe her response will be funny. We'll see. I'm going to put a lot in because I want to see some reaction. And I didn't want to put too much of the vegetable oil because I have a huge bottle of it. I've already used almost all of it, and I want enough to be able to do this at school on Thursday as well. Okay, so we have all liquids here. All right, so that is, and it's a fluorescent, I think it's magenta, it's like a fluorescent, neon purple is what I put in. All right, so now I'm going to add Alka-Seltzer. And then we see, oh, it's starting to do the same thing. It's bubbling, bubbling. Look at it going. I think I need a bigger cup, that's the problem. But it looks like a lava lamp. Yeah, I definitely need more. So when we do it at school, the trick is to use more vegetable oil. Have a bigger cup so you could see the separation better. But it's all bubbling up. It's going crazy. Shooting up. It looks like its own little hurricane. See it going? We still have some little purple dots over here from the food coloring. Oh, Stella's very worried. She doesn't know what's going on over here. That's pretty cool. So now we know. See, there we go. You can see it popping up like a lava lamp there. We need a bigger cup and bigger space. And I did too much food coloring. Let's see if we put another Alka-Seltzer in, what happens. I have a parent texting me right now, so I don't know if that's coming through. Hope not. All right, I'm trying to hold the camera and open the Alka-Seltzer at the same time. That's not going to happen. Sorry, guys. All right, so I'm going to drop in 2 more. See what happens. See if it starts to go real crazy. Hope it doesn't overflow because then I'm going to have a big mess. Oh. There it goes. It's going a little bit more crazy. Woo, look at all those little balls of food coloring. All right, one more I'm trying to put in. Sorry about the camera footage here. Let's see, one more. Ready? And drop. Here we go. Whoa. I think I needed more Alka-Seltzer. So that was the issue too. See? one thing in science that you do is experiments is you don't always get it right the first time. So that's why you have to try a few times to get it right. Scientists are always doing that. You learn from your mistakes and you move on. So the one we do at school should be perfect now. Okay, guys, so this is going to be on your morning video. I'm not there on Wednesday because I'm going to be making more videos for you guys. You have a math test. After that, you can do extra math. Take your time on your math test. Use scrap paper. I want the scrap paper turned in with your name on it if you're at school. At home, you could take a picture of it with your scrap paper. Isn't that cool? And then in language arts, read your schedule. You're going to be starting to read a story. I also have some other work you're going to do iReady. You're going to start reading a very long story because you're going to have a test on it on Thursday. Isn't that cool? All right, guys, have a great day.